In this video, we will see how to fix SSL error handshake failure alert error on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error having code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open your Google Chrome browser and here go to top right corner and click on three vertical dot, and here scroll down and choose, hover the cursor on help and choose about Google Chrome. Click on it. Checking for updates. Chrome is up to date, so update your Google Chrome browser. This is the first and initial workaround, and check whether your error SSL error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and choose settings. Here from the top left corner, click on three horizontal lines and click on privacy and security. Here under privacy and security section, click on delete browsing data. Clear your browser cookies and caches and site data. And here under advanced tab, make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data. And finally, click on delete data. It will clear all your browser caches, cookies and site data, histories and other things. Thereafter, again, go to same settings page, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose extensions. Choose manage extensions, and if any extensions you have added to your Google Chrome browser, simply disable it. Turn off this. And check whether your Google Chrome browser error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to clock and region. Choose date and time, and here from the top menu bar, go to internet time and click on change settings and make check against option synchronize with an internet time server and choose update now. Click on OK. Again, click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your Google Chrome browser error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type internet options. Open it. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced and under security section, make sure that all the options related to TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is enabled. If you found it unchecked, then make check against all these options under security section. Finally, choose apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings, right click on a start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go under system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters and here run Windows update troubleshooters.